In this video, we'll show you how to integrate your XTEN-AV account with Salesforce. Start by logging into your XTEN-AV account and selecting Settings from the profile icon menu at the top right. Navigate to the Integrations tab where you'll find Salesforce listed. Click Connect with Salesforce and you'll be redirected to the Salesforce login page. Enter your account details there. You'll be asked to grant XTEN-AV access to your Salesforce information. Click Allow to proceed. Back in XTEN-AV, you'll now see a connected status next to Salesforce, indicating a successful integration. Moreover, you can seamlessly transfer data such as accounts, contacts, opportunities, and tasks between your XTEN-AV and Salesforce accounts. Let's start by pulling the accounts data from Salesforce by clicking the Pull Accounts button on your XTEN-AV account. Select the accounts you want to import and hit Submit. Then, click the Sync Account button. You can view these accounts by selecting All Account under Accounts and Contacts. If you make any changes to Salesforce accounts, you can update them in XTEN-AV by clicking on the Pull from Salesforce button under the Sync tab. Select the accounts to update. And click Sync to pull in your changes. To push your XTEN-AV accounts to Salesforce, return to the integration page and click the Push Accounts button under the Accounts option. Select the accounts and click Submit. Then click the Sync Accounts button. Navigate to the Accounts section in Salesforce to view the pushed accounts. Repeat this process for contacts using the Pull and Push buttons and syncing each time. Moving on to Opportunities and Projects. Click Pull Opportunities to import your Salesforce opportunities. Choose the opportunity you want to pull and hit the Submit button. Then, click on the Sync Opportunities button. You can view these opportunities by selecting All Projects under the Projects menu. If you update your Salesforce opportunities, you can sync these changes to XTEN-AV by clicking the Pull from Salesforce button under the Sync tab. Select the opportunities you want to sync and click the Sync button to pull in your changes. Next, let's explore the process of pushing your XTEN-AV projects to Salesforce. Select the project to begin with. Click Add Design under the Actions button. Fill in the basic details, choose a template, and click Create Design. Edit it as needed until you're satisfied with the result. Return to the Projects page and click the Push Changes to Salesforce button under Project Settings. Select the design you want to push. You can customize the files and formats to push to your Salesforce account. Then click Save and Continue. Now, let's check if the project has been pushed successfully. Navigate to your Salesforce account and go to the Opportunities section. You should now see the project you pushed. Additionally, you can view all the documents associated with the project. Let's pull Salesforce tasks next. Go to the Tasks section. Then, click on the Pull Tasks button. Choose the tasks you want to pull from Salesforce into your XTEN-AV and hit Submit. Then, click on the Sync Tasks button. To view these tasks, click the All Projects option under Projects. You will see that the selected Salesforce task has been pulled to your XTEN-AV account. Thank you for watching. For more, log on to xtnav.com.